Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to transcribe audio to text in Evernote. So let's get straight into it. What you will need to do. So you are in Evernote profile, which you have created already. Now to transcribe our audio, here is the catch. So you press here these three dots and you will find here audio. But first we do that, we have three ways to transcribe. We can upload a file, so drop in any supported audio, video, or image file from your device. This could be pre-recorded interviews, voice notes, lectures, and so on. We can record audio directly, which we will do it in shortly. And also we can just paste a link, got an online video clip or cloud hosted file. You can also do that. Now we will do this just directly. So we will click here to audio. It will open up a new window. And what we can do now is just start transcribe. Okay, so we will start a new audio. So right here, as we do that, and now you see it's recording. Now what you will need to do is you will talk with whatever interview, meeting, whatever, basically. After you finish with this, whatever you are doing, you will press here stop and it will immediately load up here your voice, your meeting, and so on. And you will press here this transcribe and it will immediately transcribe it to text. So as you can see, now is this ready. So now you can see here what we talked about. So nothing special, but nothing important, but you will find out that when you type something important, you will now have in text. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.